Hello and welcome to Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you a quick overview of a brand new 2020 Winnebago Intent. This is the 29L floor plan. This is a gas-powered Ford Triton V10 engine. And when you take a look inside, you can see the new color schemes that Winnebago is coming out with. Inside here, you're going to have full reclining, swiveling chairs, adjustable screen on your dash, and right above you is a drop-down bed. This is a really common option. And continuing back here, you're going to have cup holders. This opens up and turns into a flat bed area just with one single pole down there. Across from us we have a booth that also turns into a bed. Plenty of outlets, USB plugins are going to be everywhere in these new models. Really clean color scheme. You can decorate it and make it your own. Here you're going to see your standard 3-burner gas range. This one has an oven as well. You don't see that as much as you used to. Microwave, 2-door fridge, and pantry. You can get some nice little Winnebago badged holders right there. And across, take a look at the bathroom here. We have towel holders on the door. We have glass doors for the shower, counter space storage. They did phenomenal with the bathroom. And in the last room here, you see queen size bed, plenty of storage all around, plenty of storage and closet space back here. This is what I like to call the goodie box. This is all your paperwork, extra keys, any goodies we have for you. And of course, bedroom TV and full-length mirror. So you have all the basics here. Nice bedroom, nice storage, nice bathroom, and both a booth and a sofa. And all with great color schemes, nice little hidey holes throughout too. You can see right on in there, that goes actually pretty deep. And we have good storage on the outside too. Okay, and then last thing to show you is a quick outside tour of this guy. This is going to be your nice outdoor kitchen with a small TV as well. Please contact me if you want more details on that because it is fantastic. You also get a ladder, and you can see on the outside here the full-length slide. That's where you get that nice big open area in it. If you have any questions about this one or you'd like to see more of it in person, please don't hesitate to give me a call or stop on in. Again, my name is Ashley here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, and you can reach me at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much. Have a great day.